Start with simple, wholesome ingredients. You'll need whole grain or sourdough bread, ripe avocado, eggs, olive oil, salt, black pepper, and optional toppings like cherry tomatoes, chili flakes, or lemon juice. Toast the bread until golden and lightly crispy. This adds texture and helps keep the toast firm once the avocado is added. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Mash it gently with a fork until creamy but still slightly chunky. Season the avocado with a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Add a few drops of lemon juice if you like a fresh, bright flavor. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and cook the eggs. You can fry them sunny side up, over easy, or even scramble them lightly for a softer texture. Spread the mashed avocado evenly over the warm toast. Make sure to cover the surface so every bite is creamy and satisfying. Place the cooked egg on top of the avocado layer. The warm egg pairs perfectly with the smooth avocado. Finish with your favorite healthy toppings. Try cherry tomatoes, chili flakes, sesame seeds, or a pinch of sea salt. Serve immediately and enjoy. This avocado egg toast is rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. A balanced meal, perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a light lunch.